Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for design of RCC footing with its section, which I did for one of my client. So if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Let's get started, guys. As you can see, guys, this is the footing size and its steel reinforcement details, which I did for one of my client, and it was 3-story residential building. A residential building. Okay, so the size of the footing is 4 feet by 4 feet. This is size of footing, 4 feet by 4 feet. This is square footing. Inside this, guys, you can see the column size is, you can see for 3-story residential building, it means G plus 2-story. Okay, so therefore the size of the column is 12 by 15 inches. Next, guys, you can see its steel reinforcement. We used here 12 millimeter die of steel rod with the spacing of 6 inches, or you can say, or 15 centimeter center to center. This is spacing of main bars and distribution bars. Guys, you can see clearly here, this one, and we did single mesh. Okay, for both direction, main bar and distribution bars, 12 millimeter with the spacing of 6 inches. Guys, you can see this is its section from the foundation to the ground level. The total depth is here 3 feet and 6 inches. You can see clearly. This is depth of the footing. Before starting steel reinforcement, we did PCC with the thickness of 3 inches. You can see ratio was 1:4, which is M15 grade of concrete. Next, guys, the bed depth is after 3 inches. This is 12 inches. You can see this is the bed depth. At the bottom, you can see the steel reinforcement. This is planing. This is its section. You can see the steel reinforcement. Look here. This is hook, which is about 6 inches on each side for both directions. Next, guys, you can see we used here 12 millimeter die of steel rod. You can see 12 millimeter bars with the spacing of 6 inches center to center, as I discussed here before in this planing. You can see clearly I did. Next, after the bed depth, guys, you can see this is 3 feet and 6 inches. So from this bed depth, guys, you can see this is about 29 inches. You can see clearly, not 29 inches, this is about 23 inches. So 23 inches plus this, so you will get the full depth. So the full depth is here 3 feet and 6 inches. The bed depth is 12 inches. PCC is with the thickness of 3 inches. You can see all side concrete cover is 3 inches, or you can say 75 millimeter. You can see clearly, guys. Look here. This is footing section. This is footing plan, which I did for one of my client. It was 3-story residential building. If you are working on construction site, so you should know how to read structural drawing. So this is the way by which you can read the structural drawing. Size is 4 by 4 feet. Inside column size is 12 by 15 inches. You can see the footing depth is 3 feet 6 inches. Bed depth is 12 inches. Inside steel reinforcement, I have discussed PCC with the thickness of 3 inches, 1:4, which is M15 grade concrete. And for this footing and its section, we did the concrete. It was M20 grade concrete, as I discussed in many videos. This is 1.1.5 ratio and 1 part cement, 1.5 parts sand, and 3 parts aggregate. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.